Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Okay, we have here. You can change the position if you want. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch. We are done with downloading and checking the list of watch faces for our O20 Ultra. We also have a demo on our last video for the AI watch faces. This time, we are going to explore the custom watch faces. So let's check if what are the features loaded to it. So we do have an image and video watch face. So we'll check the custom watch faces. Let's put our background wallpaper for the clock or the watch with our iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you are interested to see this feature on the O20 Ultra, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch custom wallpaper or the custom watch faces. Okay, so we do have here our support app. Again, the smartwatch is using the iPulse application. To access the custom wallpaper, just go to the dial center, tap more. We have here our list of downloadable watch faces, and we have here our custom watch face. So tap on create. So we have here two options. We have image from our gallery, and we do have the camera option. So these are the features here, the options. We have font color and the position of our time. So let's try. Let's go first with the gallery option. Just allow the permission here. Allow iPulse to access photos and device on this device, videos on this device, allow. Then let's check out our collection of images here. We'll use this one. Done. Position the image, crop. Okay, we have here. You can change the position if you want. You can also change the color. After that, the same as other watch faces, set as current dial. Then let's wait. As you can see here, our smartwatch is downloading the image. And we have here our custom wallpaper or the custom watch face. Okay, so what are the details? Okay, we have the background, we have the date, the time, and I guess this one is the step. Okay, step counter, the details for the step. We don't have an option here to change the data on the watch face. It is fixed. Anyway, the wallpaper or the custom watch face works. Let's try the camera option here. Again, allow the permission if you want to use while using the app. Alright, so let's try to take a photo of this. Photo. Okay, we have it here. Then check. Then check. So we have here our custom wallpaper using the camera application. Okay, so we capture the photo. Change the color. Then set as a current dial. Again, let's wait. And we have here our custom wallpaper using the camera application. So far, it works for our wearable. Okay, so far the custom image for our smartwatch works. I tried the video watch face. Okay, this feature on other smartwatches before and it did not work. Okay, so I'm going to try again. As you can see, we don't have a video option here for our wearable. I guess this functionality is available only on other smartwatches and not on our Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch. Anyway, we do have a lot of options here for watch faces. We have also AI watch faces and a custom watch faces. Okay, so that's it for our demo of our iTel Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch custom watch faces. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.